Husky 2G CAN bus training acceptance test record. This record will be used to identify your vehicle, your Husky 2G, once you either assemble it or receive it. You'll store data in here as well as mark each item that you're to be inspected, either pass or fail. Through this video, we're going to go through each item, each area, and kind of talk about some of the different things. You have your vehicle information, your vehicle serial number. This is going to be your vehicle hull number that you'll input that data there. Odometer, the current mileage that's on the vehicle, and the assembly date. If you did not assemble the vehicle, you can place NA in this area. Pulse induction system information. What you'll want to put here is your pulse induction control box serial number, and then the interface box serial number. And again, this is for tracking purposes. Inspection information, the location receiving unit. It could be the same thing, the area that you've done it at, the city, town, military installation, whatever. Husky inspector, inspection date, Husky inspector sign off, and Husky acceptance sign off. This will be the information for the person conducting the inspection and actually accepting the vehicle. The acceptance test record continued. The first item you're going to check is going to be the front wheel module. And we have an itemized list here of all these items. And again, will either be a pass or a fail. You have enough room here in this block. If something is wrong, we recommend jotting down what was wrong with each one of those items. Once you're done with the front wheel module, you'll move to the rear module. And again, you'll have an itemized list that you'll have to look at. From the rear module, we'll move to the vehicle hull. On each one of these, just again, make sure every item is working, every item's in proper order, securely mounted, and so forth. Again, you'll have a pass or a fail for each one of these items. Once completed with the vehicle hull, you move to the engine compartment. Here it states driver's side. Driver's side of this vehicle is the left-hand side of the vehicle. Again, pass or fail with your itemized list. You'll want to check for any damages, leaks, and so forth. From the engine compartment driver's side, we'll move to the engine compartment operator side. The engine compartment operator side will be the right side of the vehicle. You'll want to take a look at each one of these items that's on the list. Next item will be the transmission compartment driver's side, again, left side of the vehicle. Transmission compartment operator side, right side of the vehicle. PI detection system, driver's side, left side of the vehicle. You'll want to make sure we take a look at the detection panel all the way through, make sure everything is there, securely mounted, and nothing is broken. From the PI detection system driver's side, you'll move to the PI detection system operator side, again, which is the right side of the vehicle, and you'll check the same items. Engine compartment, battery compartment, that is on top of the vehicle. You'll want to make sure that your valve covers, steering shafts, everything that's on these itemized lists either passes or failed. From there, you'll move to the cab interior. You're going to get inside the vehicle and inspect these items that's on this list. Once you're done with the interior cab, you're going to do the initial system operational check. You are actually going to power the vehicle up. At this point, you're going to want to start the engine to do your flame start as well as your engine start button to make sure that the vehicle starts. Once you start the vehicle, you're going to inspect your instrument panel gauges and warning indicators test. Do not drive the vehicle at this point. You're going to make sure that every gauge and everything that's on this list is in operational order. At this time, if anything fails, notify your maintenance personnel to make sure that we take a look and just to make sure that there's nothing wrong with the Husky and the engine, transmission, and so forth. At this point, you're going to move to your sensor tire inflation system controls and indicators, or your CTIS. Again, not moving the vehicle, you're going to verify that your CTIS is working properly. Once your CTIS is complete, you move to your pulse induction system, your PI system, to verify that the system operates. Again, these are non-movement tests. Once you've powered up and you've tested your PI system, you're going to move to your PI and your pulse induction interface and radio box. You're going to make sure that everything is working properly. Your interface to your radio, if equipped, is working. Your CVCs, if issued, are working properly, and you can be able to communicate with inside the vehicle. From here, you move to your automatic fire extinguishing system, AFES, master controller, again, non-vehicle movement. You're going to verify that the system OK indicator is illuminated. If it is not illuminated, notify your maintenance personnel. Lighting and miscellaneous controls and indicators, you're going to verify everything that's on this list. Controls and indicators, again, verify everything on this list. At this point, you will make sure this will be a driving test of the vehicle to verify your speedometer is working, your differential lockers, your high-low range on your transfer case. Once that's complete, that is the end of task. Refer to the Husky 2G suite of manuals for additional information and procedures.